How to find new promo code list for MCOC. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're looking for that, you can follow up the steps. So all you gotta do is head over to a browser, and once you are there, in the search bar you can type in MCOC promo codes. Go ahead and type in that. And when you do, you will be given this. So from here, what you can do is head over to pocketgamer.com. So this is one of the easiest way where you can find promo codes for MCOC. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, you will be taken with this interface. Now in pocketgamer.com, you can scroll down. And here right now we have codes for March 2025. Scroll down, and when you do, here are some of the promo codes that you can use. Some like rank up Pronine, Dragon Horde, something like this. All you gotta do is for rewards for 3 union crystals, there are different promo codes. You can just go ahead and type in these codes if in MCOC. So that is it for now. These are some of the promo codes you can follow up if you want. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.